Hello friend, today I will going to read English book NCERT chapter number 3. Before you read, here are some pictorial glimpses of the history of your country from 1757 to 1857. These pictures and speech bubbles will help clarify your understanding of the condition that led to the event known as the First War of Independence in 1897. 1. The Martyrs. At function in Delhi, oh my countrymen, let your eyes fill with tears as you recall the sacrifices of Indian martyrs. 2. The company's conquests 1757-1849. With its superior weapons, the British East India Company was extending with power in 18th century India. India 1765. Indian princes, British territory. Indian princes were short-sighted. That upstart Raja called the English merchants. They will help me to defeat him. The people had no peace due to such constant fights. The rivalries helped the East India Company, and it could easily subdue Indian princes on by one. A far-seeing ruler like the bro Tipu Mysore fought the British till he died fighting. Thank God there is peace in the country now. No more wars and no looting by things. It's God who sent the British. Our destiny is linked with them. How did Indians react to these concepts? The white man has killed or dethroned our kings. Some kings were not good, but after all they were of this land. Now we have become selves of foreigners. 3. British rule 1765-1836. Religious leaders pursued ideas like untouchability and child marriage. Anyone who crosses this is loses religious. All the misery in the world is due to women. The truth was that Indians had lost self-respect. The British scorned them. Wing merchants. The British wanted quick profit. Their heavy taxes for farmers to abandon their fields. But your men are taking all my crop. You are still in arrears. If you don't pay next week, I will send you to jail. The native are unworthy of trust, incapable of honesty. True, your honor, but I am honest. Still, the British invented other methods which gave them more profits. Inevitably, famines followed between 1822 and 1836. 15 lakh Indians died of starvation. Still, the British invented other methods which gave them more profit. The goods manufactured in England should not have any important duty when brought into India. A good idea. The East India Company's laws began to cripple Indian industries. Inevitable famines followed between 1822 to 1836. 15 lakh Indians died of the starvation. The British policies rent the expert artisan and their business. 4. Ram Mohan Roy, 1772-1833. Ram Mohan Roy, learned man from Bengal, understood what was wrong with the country. Let us not despise ourselves. Our ancient culture is great, and we are capable of greater achievements. We must first reforms of society. Super citizens have been running us. He told his wife Uma, cows are of different colors, but the color of their milk is the same. Different teachers have different opinions, but the essence of every religion is the same. He was attracted by science and modern knowledge. Knowledge should be practical and scientific. He started newspapers, but the suspicious British stopped them in 1823. He crossed the seas and went to England to see what made British powerful. There he told them, "We accept you as rulers, and you must accept us subjects, but you must remember the responsibility of ruler over his subject." Glimpses of the past. 5. Operation 1765-1835. But the British continued to oppress Indians. In 1818, they had passed Regulation 3rd. Under it, an Indian could be jailed without trial in a court. All the time, British officers in India drew big salaries and also made pretense in private business. By 1829, Britain was exporting British goods worth 7 crore rupees to India. The British proposed on the company's loot while Indian industries began to die. Governor or General Bentinck reported back home, "The bones of cotton weavers are bleaching the plains of India." Desertification 1835-56. Education in India was in Persian and Sanskrit. In 1835, Englishman named Macaulay suggested a change. We should teach the natives through the English language. I agree. English education produced clerk to whom the British gave British jobs under them. Incidentally, it also produced a new generation of intellectuals. We must educate our brothers and try to improve their material condition. For that, we must convey our grievances to the British Parliament. By 1856, the British had conquered the whole of India. They cared little about the needs of Indians. Our kings have become puppets, and we have lost our own job and lands. They are converting our brothers. You only talk to something to drive them out. State British area. 7. The spark. 1855-57. Texas continued to rent the peasants in Bengal. The Santhal, who had lost their lands under new land rules, became desperate. In 1855, they rose in the rebellion and massacred Europeans and their supporters alike. Discontent was brewing in the East India Company's army too. The white soldier has pay mansions to live in servants, while we get a pretense and slow promotion. They Angrez ask us to cross the sea, which is against our religious. Who is the Topiwala to abolish our age-old customs? We must drive out the Angrez. Sepoy Mangal Pandey attacked the adjust of his requirement and was excited. Thousands of other sepoys reloaded. They were stripped of their uniform, humiliated and put in iron. Few Englishmen had cared to understand Indian costumes or the people's mind. Oh, proud Brahmin soldier, do you know that the graces on the bullet you have to bite is made from the fat of cows and pigs? What? The white man has deceived us too. Soon chapatis were sent from village to village to tell the people that their emperor would want their services. Yes, all my village men will be ready. Similarly, lotus flowers circulated among Indian soldiers. Death to foreigner. The masses gave all help and shelter to the patriots. A revolt 1857. Then there was violent outbreak at Meerut. The sepoys marched to Delhi. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. The rebellion spread wider. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies, and they were sure the white man's rules must end. Yes, we will help you. The fight of freedom 1857. Many former rules like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. The white man has taken away my kingdom. They joined the upsurge against the foreigner. Popular leaders like Malvi Ahmadullah of Faizabad told the people, rise brother, rise, the Angrez is running our land. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope, we should have Peshwa Nana Saheb is our leader in this war of independence. 80-year-old Kunkhar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. The patriots proud opened the British and fought peaceful battles all over North India. From our freedom movement, H.D. Sahmat. Comprehension check. 1. Look at picture. I had recalled the opening lines of the original song. In Hindi, who is the singer? Who else do you see in this picture? 2. In picture 2, what do you understand by the company's superior weapons? 3. Who is an artisan? Why do you think the artisans separate? Picture 3. 4. Which picture according to you reveals the first spark of the fire of revolt? Working with the text, answer the following question. 1. Do you think the Indian princes were short-sighted in their approaches to these events of 1757? 2. How did the East India Company subdue the Indian princes? 3. Quote the words used by Ram Mohan Roy to say that every religion teaches the same principles. 4. In what ways did the British officer exploit Indians? 5. Name these people 1. The ruler who fought peaceful battles against the British and died fighting. 2. The person who wanted to reform the society. 3. The person who recommended the introduction of English education in India. 4. Two popular leaders who led the revolt. Choices may vary. 6. Mention the following. 1. Two example of social practice prevailing then. 2. Oppressive policies of the British. 3. 2 away in which common people suffered. 4 reasons for the discontent that led to the 1857 War of Independence. Working with language in comic, what the characters speak is put in bubbles. This is direct narration. When we report what the characters speak, we use the method of indirect narration. Study these examples. First, farmer. Why are you men taking away the entire crop? Second, farmer. Your men have taken away everything. Officer, you are still in arrears. If you don't pay tax next week, I will send you to jail. The first farmer asked the officer why his men were taking away the entire crop. The second farmer said that their men had taken away everything. The officer replied that they were still in arrears and warned them that if they did not pay tax the following week, he, the officer, would send them, the farmers, to jail. 1. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. 1. First man, we must educate our brothers. Second man, and try to improve their material condition. Third man, for that we must convey our grievances to the British Parliament. The first man said that. The second man added that. The third man suggested that. 2. First soldier. The white soldier has pay, mansions and servants. Second soldier, we get the pittance and lodge promotion. Third soldier, who are the British to police our custom. The first soldier and that the second soldier remarked that the third soldier asked that. Speaking and writing. 1. Reflect the rule of farmers who have grievances against the policies of the government. Rewrite their speech bubbles in dialogues from first. Look at the picture. Fox accidentally falls into a well. How do you get out of here? Hello, is this water sweet? Too sweet. I have had so much I might faint. Let me taste it. Thank for the help. Come out when you can. My mother used to say, be careful how you take the advice of people you don't know. 1. Ask one another questions about the pictures. Where is the fox? What is the fox thinking? What does she want to know? What happens next? Where is the fox now? How did it happen? Who is the visitor? What is the box's reply? Where is the goat? What is the goat thinking? To write the story in your own words, give it title. 3. Read the following news item. History becomes fun at this school. Mumbai. Student in the 6th grade of certain school in Navi Mumbai love their history lesson thanks to a novel. Teaching aid. It is not surprising given the fact that their study material includes comic books and they use their encouraged to top other sources of information as well. During history classes, students more pore over comic stripe of historical period, enact chapters of the emperors and tyrants, and have admitted discussion on the subject. History has become fun. In the class, students are asked to read the comic strip loud, after which they break up into the groups of 4, discuss what they have heard, and write a whole class jump into discussion and debate, adding points, disagreeing and qualifying points of view. A 6th grade student said, "It is a lot of fun because everyone gets chance to express themselves and the summary takes everyone's idea into account." According to the school principal, the comic strip format and visual appeal to students. Historian feels that using comic in schools is great idea. Comic and acting help students understand what characters in the story are actually thinking. Adapt from the Times of India, New Delhi, October 2007. Based on this news item, write a paragraph on what you think about this news method of teaching history. 4. Find the chapters in your history book that corresponds to episodes and events described in this comic. Note how the information contained in a few chapters of history has been considered to few pages with help to pictures and speech bubbles. 5. Create a comic of your own using this story. Once the sun and the wind began to quarrel, each one saying that he was stronger than the other. At least they decided to eat each other's straight. A man with a cloak allowed his soldier was passing by the cloak. The sun agreed. The wind blew third. The name felt so cold that he clasped his cloak round his body as tightly as possible. Man left so hot that he at once removed the cloak from his body. Singing the man talking of the cloak of the wine contained defend. Macavity the mystery cat. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It was not easy to say whether every cat is the mystery, but Macavity is one for sure. What is it that makes him perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and fun sentence. Macavity is a Macavity called the hidden pay, for he is the maddest criminal and who can defy the village. He is a defament the extravagant yard. The flying squad despair from news. For the master criminal who can defy the law, he is the bafflement Scotland Yard. The flying is discourse despair. For when there is this skin crime, Macavity not there. Macavity, there no one like Macavity. He is broken every woman law and he breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir star. And when you reach this scan of crime, Macavity is not there. You may see him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I told him once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger eat. He is very tall and thin. You would like him you like it. 4 eyes are sunken in his brow in simply lined with thought. His head is highly damaged. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed, he says. His head from side to side with movements like a mistake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is friend in feeling safe, a monster of disparity. You many meet him in a by street, you may see man in it the. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. Glossary. Daffy. This boy or Aristophanes Eschaton are the headquarters of the London police force. Flying square, a group of people or soldiers ready to move into the action quickly. Levitation, flowing in the air without reports. Working with the poem. 1. Read the first stanza and think. 1. Is Macavity's cat really 2. If not, who can Macavity be? To complete the following sentences, a master criminal is one who dash to Scotland Yard to the Wafflet is because dash 3 dash because Macavity moves much faster than them. 3. A cat I am sure could walk on the cloud without coming through. Julius Verne. Which law is the Macavity breaking in the light of the comment above? Read this stanza 3 and then describe Macavity in 2 or 3 sentences for your own. 5. Say false or true for each of the following statement. 1. Macavity is not an ordinary cat. Macavity cannot do what fakir and easily do. 3. Macavity has supernatural powers. 4. Macavity is well dressed, smart and bright. 5. Macavity is way trackers and criminals all round in. 6. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of the cat. If you, why does he call Macavity a friend and master? 7. Has the poet used exaggeration for principle of fact? Find a few examples. Read those lines aloud. Rick, what did Papa Firefly tell Mama Firefly? Hick, I don't know. This isn't our child bright for his age? Mary, who wasn't a fair nose table 12 inches long? Joe, I don't know why. Mary, because if it was 12 inches long, it would be foot. Anita, I got 100 in school today. Mother, that is wonderful. What did you get 100 in? Anita, 40 in math and 60 in English. Thank you for watching this video.